We are going to prepare Szegedin Goulash. Preheat pot on medium-high heat. Place in large onion. Saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add drained sauerkraut. Just get very nice sear. Add paprika. Add meat. Saute it while constant stirring for just about 2 to 3 minutes. Dust it with 1/4 cup of the flour. Stir it until fully combined. It's time to add the beef broth. Bay leaves, caraway seed, add in garlic. Give it a one nice stir and I will cover it with a lid and bring it to the light simmer, which is a light boil. This is how our Szegedin Goulash looks after about 60 minutes of cooking. But now we have to do some final steps. Add good heavy cream, add salt and pepper. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. And how would Czech people eat it? You just cut a slice of the dumpling, make sure it has enough sauce, and dobrou chuť.